Guys, let me show you how to make these super flaky biscuits. We'll start by grating some ice cold butter. We'll mix that into our dry ingredients, give it a stir, add ice cold milk. And when that comes together, we put it down on the counter. We're just gonna press that down with our hands. We'll fold it over and we'll press it down and we'll fold it over. What we're doing is we're building layers here. We're gonna do this 5 or 6 times. Then we'll get out our ring and we're gonna go ahead and cut our biscuits. I go 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we make our gravy. It's 4 ingredients: sausage, flour, milk, black pepper. That's it. You can add a little salt, but my sausage had enough flavor. It was good to go. Biscuits are ready, so we build. I'm gonna throw down an extra piece of sausage, put my gravy on top. Gotta have that egg, a little bit of hot sauce. You're good to go. Look at that. Just get in there and enjoy. What a treat. Cheers, everyone.